So let us solve the question number 4 of exercise 4.4 of quadratic equation. So the question number 4 is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in year was 48. So now first of all he is asking that he has given certain condition and he is asking that whether this condition is possible or not. If it is possible, then we have to find the ages of the two friends. Okay. So again what we will do is we will convert this expression into a quadratic equation, and once the quadratic equation is formed, we will find the value of discriminant D, and if discriminant D is greater than or equal to 0, then we will find the ages of the friends, and if it is less than 0, then we will say that this situation is not possible. Okay. So let us do it. Let us do it practically. Okay. So we will assume that let age of one friend, friend, one friend is equal to x. It is in years. Okay. Therefore, age of second friend is equal to, see, they have given that their sum is 20 years. Okay. If one has x years of age, then the another one should have 20 minus x, this much of year. Only then if I'll add both of these, so x will cancel this x, so the sum will be 20. Okay. So that is why if the age of first friend is x, the age of the second friend will be 20 minus x. So what will be the age of the first friend 4 years ago? So his age will be x minus 4. Okay. First one. And what will the age of the second friend 4 years ago? It will be 20 minus x minus 4. Okay. But he says that 4 years ago the product of their age was, if I will multiply this, so this was 48. So this is given. Okay. Now because I hope you are now very conversant with quadratic equation, so that's why I am writing it in this way. Otherwise I would have done it in a detailed manner. So this is given. This is given. Why? 4 years ago their product was 48 years, the product of their ages. Okay. 4 years ago the age of first friend was x minus 4. 4 years ago the age of the second friend was 20 minus x minus 4, because I have to subtract 4 from their current ages. This is the current age of first friend, then current age of second friend. So 4 years ago the age of the first friend will be this one, x minus 4, means current age minus 4, and 4 years ago the age of the second friend will be current age minus 4, means his current age is 20 minus x minus 4. Okay. So now I will convert this expression into a quadratic equation now. So let me write it, let me simplify it. X minus 4 into 20 minus 4 is 16 minus x. This is equal to 48. Okay. Now I will multiply it. X into x, 16 will be 16x. X into x will be minus x. This is actually minus. So x into minus x will be minus x square. Now minus 4 into 16 will be minus 4 into 16 is 48. No, not sorry. This is not 48. This will be 64. Okay. And then minus 4 and minus x will be plus 4x. This will be equal to 48. Let me simplify it. 4x, 16x. It will be 20x. Okay. Minus x square, minus 64, 48. Now I will take all these terms to this side. Okay. So it will be 0 is equal to, this will be, this minus x square will be plus x square. This plus 20x will be minus 20x. Then this minus 64 will be plus 64, and plus 48 will be as it is because it is already there. So 0 is equal to x square. Okay. So minus 20x will be as it is. Now 48 plus 64 will be how much? It will be 112. Okay, this will be 112. Because 64 into 64 plus 40 is 108, 104, and 104 plus 8 is 112. So I can flip the sides now. I can write it as x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Okay, now I have converted this expression into a quadratic form. Okay, I have converted this statement into a quadratic form. The first thing was I converted this into a expression, then I converted this expression into a quadratic form, and now I will find the value of discriminant B. Okay, so that I can find out whether this situation is possible or not. Okay, now comparing this with standard quadratic equation. Okay, comparing with standard quadratic equation. Okay, what is standard quadratic equation? Standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So which implies, if I am where it is very important to write it. Okay, where a is not equal to 0, a should not be equal to 0. If a is 0, then it is not a standard quadratic equation. Okay, anyway, now from here if I will compare, a is equal to 1. Okay, b is equal to minus 20 and c is equal to 112. So these three are the values of a, b and c. Now I will find the discriminant d. Okay, so d is given by b square minus 4 into a into c. So which implies d is equal to, I will put the value of a, b and c into this expression. Okay, b is minus 20, its square, minus 4 into a. Okay, a is 1, c is 112. So d is equal to minus 20 square will be plus 400. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4 and 10 into 10 is 100. So it is 400 minus 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 into 112 is 4 into 100 is 400 and 112 is 48. So it will be 448. Okay, so it is 448. So which implies d is equal to plus 400 minus 448 will be minus 48. Okay, so which implies d is less than 0 because minus 48 is less than 0. It is a negative value, so it is less than 0. So it means that because d is less than 0, so no such situation is possible which is given into this statement. Okay, so we will write, because d is less than 0, therefore the given situation is not possible. Okay, so this is a very simple question. So the important thing is that as in this in the chapter of this quadratic equation, we have already learned that how to convert this statement into a quadratic equation, and once we can do it, we can very easily do the operations. So I hope you like this video. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, so please hit the like button and share this video among your friends, and also subscribe to my channel so that you can get more updates on the mathematics on the videos which I am uploading on the YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.